I'm going to show you how to make a really easy vegetable stew to use up any random bits of veg in the fridge, and you'll be able to take it in all sorts of different flavour directions. Is the vegetables have kind of gone more sort of translucent, so the colours dip down a little bit. It's a good way of thinking about it. So at this stage you could take it into any different flavour direction. This is a great base. You can decide, do I want to make it Indian? You could make it more Middle Eastern, or what I'm going to do today is do a kind of Spanishy, Italian kind of thing. So I'm going to do some smoked paprika, canned tomatoes and some cannellini beans. My kids love this, so I often make this if we've had a weekend away or I know we've not been eating enough veg, and for them I'll either stir it through pasta or I'll have it with some brown rice. You can put some sprinkled feta or parmesan on top, or goat's cheese. It's just a great base recipe and a great freezer filler.